What's up with it, traders? Happy Wednesday to you on this short trading week. Kind of feels like everything's flying by, a little weird, a little crazy, but it's all good. It's your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, here with my day trading recaps. For those of you who want to learn how to day trade, who are just interested in what I'm doing, any of those will work for me. Always do your boy a favor, man, and hit that subscribe, the notification, like any of those things always assist in the process. But anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so what did I trade today? In fact, I'm gonna do a brief recap of the market and then I'll talk about what I traded. Let me share. Okay, so here is the market, my friends, and we can see it's having, this ain't a sexy candle by no means, but at least it has buying pressure, which means it tried to sell off and it's still trying to make its move up to this 200 MA. That's all good business. Okay, that's all good business if we can make that happen. Okay, the SPY, in addition, same thing, had the selling off pressure, but they bought it back up, and we're sitting right there at the 200, man. And so, I got this horizontal line here. That's the next form of resistance that we would see on the SPY. So we just got to let it all play out. These candles don't look good. But the good thing about them is they both have bottoming tail, and it means that they are attempting to buy, and get the market back stabilized. Okay. All right. So what did I trade today? Okay. I'm going to start with one that I missed by 2 pennies and then move into the one that did work. So we're going to start today with GRNQ, which has been moving. It's still moving as we speak, but I'm done. And so I'm not taking any more trades for the day. So let me go ahead. All right, GRNQ. So here we go. I had 2 lines on GRNQ that I was highly interested in. And those 2 lines were right here at 158, really, and 130. Okay. Now here's what happened. This one was too close at the open for my comfort to buy it at 158, even though if I did, I would have been happy with the result. Okay. So I was waiting for the second buy area, which I had to order in at 132. As you can see, this thing came in and it bounced, went sideways, and then it ran off. Okay, it just rattled off some real movement, but I missed it because the low of this candle, even though it looks like it came to me, is 133. 133. So I didn't get filled because it didn't hit my price, and sometimes that's just how the cookie crumbles, my friend. Here we go on the 3-minute, same deal. So here's what happened when it came into 158. You can see it came in, it got strong and bounced here. And here's what it looked like when it came almost to my price action, but not close enough. Got sideways and pum, off to the races. It also set up a high volume play. Now, this is something that I need to just have a little more resolve. I could have put this order in right here at 184, and I decided not to. And look what it did. It came right into 184. It got sideways, and pum, there it goes. It went back up. Okay, so anyhow, that's just how it goes sometimes, my friends. That's how it goes. The next stock that I was on this morning was GNC. Now, somebody mentioned GNC to me yesterday. I think it was Harry, if I recall correctly. And I did trade it today. So let's go ahead, share the screen, and let me show you what I did. Okay, so let's talk about it. So I had 2 areas that I was interested in right here at 80.05, 805.805. Okay, and I was also interested down here. I didn't know if it was going to be right here at 74 or right here at 72. Okay, but let's look at what I did on the 3-minute time frame. It comes into my price, and it did one of the things that I hate is it pulled deeper than I would like. It pulled deeper than I would like. It pulled deeper, as I was stating. I'm sorry, my son came, ran some interference on me than I would like. But it bounced back really quick. You see this wick here, and basically I executed right here. I can't remember, what is that? I think it was like 85 or something like that. So I was very happy with this trade because I got in, I got out. I knew it wasn't going to be a big one that I wanted, but I knew it would be able to pad my pockets with something. And so this was a good 6% trade here, which is again, maybe you come from somewhere else, but for me, it's hard to scoff at making 6%. Considering what I do, it's just crazy, that you can pull this kind of money out of the market day in, day out. But anyhow, that was that one. Okay. The last trade we're going to talk about actually wasn't a trade, but just a stock that I had on my watch list that I was in the gray. I don't like when it's in the gray. It made it hard for me to make a decision, so I just didn't play it at all. But it's LK. LK was on the scene yesterday, and it came back. It made a second day appearance, and we always like those. So here we go. Where was I interested? Right here at 240, or the bottom of this wick at 231. The problem I had is I didn't know which one. I was like, man, I don't know. I don't know which one it's going to be. And so what I did is I just decided not to play it. I actually had an order for 230. I didn't decide not to play it. I decided to take the lower end of it because I'd rather get it at 231 than get it at 240. And so it came right here, pulled right into 240, dropped a little bit more than we wanted, but look what it did. Boom, it bounced. It took off and ran. Unfortunately, I didn't get to play that, but I was on the scene. I was looking, watching, and waiting. Okay, and that sometimes it's just how it goes. So those are things that I was looking at today. That was how my day played out. I still walked out a 6% winner. Hard to complain, man. Hard to complain when you find a way to take some money out of the market day in, day out. Very happy with it. So hopefully you guys are doing well. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be locked and loaded. And don't forget, we're going live on Friday. Live on Friday, at least for the pre-market, not during trading hours, but live during pre-market. All right. I'll see y'all later.